Hello, today I'd like to introduce you to a piece of equipment which is imported from abroad and is specially designed to repair the mileage data of Volkswagen's 5C instruments. Like the domestic equipment cannot support, such as RH850, meter 1401, 1402, and so on, a series of models, as well as Johnson's meter and Wooding Volkswagen 0L, and so on, as well as Volkswagen 5A5C series of meters, such as Pat Maiden Longi, Sprint 0, and so on. So, the list of models supported by this model, we put a picture you can refer to. Then this is the main body of the device. And this is a welded cell phone line number. And then there is a hand machine data. This is the main body of the device. And this is the number of cell phone wires soldered to it. And then there are cell phone data cables. If you want to use this device, you need to connect it to our computer and install its software on the computer side. This software has an English interface. And when we operate it, it's relatively simple. And there are only a few steps to remove the meter and then find the wiring diagram inside the device and then use the wires to connect the wires and then read out the data inside the device. You can change the data you need to change and then use the equipment software to write the data back to write a good after the instrument can be loaded to test the car. Then this equipment is very stable if you need to contact us.